Alright, SLACKROBATS, you ready for some more training drills? We're going to work with the static pose Asym sit, transitioning from Asym on one side to Asym on the other. Okay, we'll do it on the ground first so you can have an idea what this will look like before we take it to the line. Extending the left leg out and the opposite arm, so the right arm out. Finding full extension in both before we transition to the other side. Finding full extension, transitioning to the other side. Alright, let's take it to the line, see what this looks like. For some helpful tips, please go check out the SLACKROBATS tutorial on Asym sit. That'll help you out. Okay? So on the line, looks a little something like this. Finding full extension here, pressing down into my hand. I'm going to bring the left hand to the line, transfer the weight over here as I bring the foot up, and get that foot off. As I've mentioned in other videos, it's a lot easier to balance with 2 points of contact than 3. That's why there's such a quick shuffle as I transition. So finding full extension in the Asym, bringing the hand in, shifting the weight, jumping to the other foot, then finding full extension. Remember to breathe, focus, then move to the other side. Transition the weight, jump over, extend. This can also be done a little bit slower, which is a little harder. Coming to here, transitioning the weight to the left side, moving over. Notice I take out the jump that time. So it's more controlled movements and more difficult. I suggest practicing both so you can see the difference. Back to the other side. One more time. Before you come down. Work hard so that you come down with success. Feel good. Have a little drink. Stay hydrated. And have fun. Remember to smile. Training drills. More to come. Peace.